thanks to the orchestra over in the corner. Now I want to tell a story. A story called The Butterfly That Flew Away, 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 Away.
Hey, it's not that story now. The story is planned for tomorrow.
Sorry. Oh, found it. Now I want to tell a story. A story called The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The party was at Megan's house, huge house, that was across the graveyard. She invited her gang to the party. The first girl that arrived is called Charlotte. Charlotte was raised in a very rich family and she always get what she pointed at. She was the biggest bitch of all bitches. When she walked in, the first thing she said was,
"Take my chihuahua and get me some caviar."
A few minutes later, the second girl arrived. Her name was Alicia. Alicia was really black and American. She loved herself a lot. And when she came in, she said,
"What up, bitches? Alicia in the house."
I'm sexy and I know it.
Then the third girl arrived. Her name was Daisy.
Crazy Daisy.
She had a crazy laugh. In a low voice, she said,
"Hey, girls!"
and then she laughed. Oh my Jesus Christ, that laugh. Ugh. The girls sat in a circle in Megan's room.
Girls, what are we going to do?
Talk about nails and boys and try to look at my hair. I just got it fixed.
We could play truth or dare.
Yes, that's a good idea. Okay. Start. Daisy, truth or dare? I will pick dare. Call to a random number and tell him you want to cut her penis off.
Okay, I'm calling now. He's not answering.
Hello?
I'm going to cut your penis off.
Oh yeah, girl.
Oh no, he's calling again. Alicia, you take it.
Okay, give me that fucking phone. I'll take it now.
I'm going to cut your head off.
Oh my god. Okay, bitch. That got a little scared.
Whatever. Let's go on.
Okay, Alicia, I dare you to go to the graveyard and pee on a gravestone.
Oh, snap.
Way too easy. I'm going over there now, bitches.
After the fabulous song, Alicia went to the graveyard while the girls were watching from the window. Oh no, do not go in there. Do not go.
Alicia's on the graveyard.
Okay, you did.
Which gravestone do I have to pee on? Ooh, there's one where it says Texas Chainsaw Massacre. That doesn't sound so scary.
That sounds scary, doesn't it?
Whatever. Do it, motherfucker!
I'm peeing now.
Alicia, there is someone behind you.
Oh yeah, that is my pee that is following me, stupid bitches.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, yes, yes.
No. Alicia, turn around.
Do not pee on my gravestone.
I just borrowed it.
But you were peeing.
Fuck off, you bastard. I pee wherever I want to pee.
What?
Listen, you stupid motherfucker. Your mom is a whore, I fuck your dad, and I kill your son.
Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him. Ooh. Oh, snap. Where the fuck did you came from?
I was here the whole time, you know.
What?
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre took his chainsaw and Alicia. The girls went crazy and ran back to the house as fast as they could. The girls screamed and cried. What are we going to do? Alicia's gone.
Nothing, she was a bitch anyway.
Did you hear that?
No, what was it?
There it is again.
We do not open. No way.
Maybe it's the pizza we ordered.
Daisy began to run down the stairs, but as clumsy as she is,
Ouch!
she fell down the stairs. Then she stood up and opened the front door. The girls were still upstairs. Then they ran downstairs to see if Daisy was alright.
Daisy, are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
The man killed Megan and Charlotte. He was just about to kill Daisy, when suddenly she began to laugh. Like a donkey. Then the Texas Chainsaw Massacre ran away because of her laugh. And then Daisy began to take selfies.